It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you said to my eyes. I know that I don't make.
Welcome back, guys. Here with one of the faves again, Love Me hair. Alright, so let's get into what we got for today's wig. Ooh, we're gonna get into this. So before we get into the wig, I got this like booklet here, and it is just basically a rewards information membership guide. Okay, so basically telling you all about that, and you know, deals and all that stuff. Then we have this branded Love Me drawstring bag that usually gets, you know, it's perfect for storage. You know, branded clip, branded rat tail comb, have these sticky notes that are great for labeling, a brand Love Me headband. Okay, perfect. And I got a pair of these wig caps. Okay, and then lastly in the package I got the user's guide, which, you know, shows you how to care for your wig, or tells you rather, and all that good stuff. And that's everything in today's package. So this is today's wig, and it is so silky. Like, it is this gorgeous charming brown layered cut loose wave 5x5 lace closure glueless wig, and it's 100% virgin hair. As you know, it is already customized fully for you, so it's definitely beginners friendly. I'm loving the layers I'm seeing in this. It comes layered already, as you know, and it feels amazing. I'm going to put all the specifications in the description box, such as the specific length, the density, and all of that. As you can see, this color is perfect for the winter time. The body, the movement, the fullness feels great. As I say, Love Me is definitely one of my faves. It's on my fave list. This is how it looks. It's a HD lace closure, by the way, and it's glueless. Now inside of the cap is constructed like this. It has a total of 4 combs and this adjustable strap on the inside, so you know, you can make it as tight or loose as you want. And this is really the key to keeping it glueless. Like, you don't need to go ahead and apply any adhesive, as you guys know. Very convenient, very quick, very easy to just slip on and wear and go. In the back has adjustable straps. You can make it tighter or looser, so you have a whole heap of stuff to make the wig very secure on your head, so you don't need to worry about it falling off easily. All right, yeah, that's how it looks. This is, it feels very good. As I say, come pre-styled, ready to wear and go, and I absolutely love it. So you see that sheen, the luster looks really beautiful. So now that I show you guys how this wig looks, let's go ahead and jump into the very quick and easy installation of it. Let's go. You just hold it by the band here and you take your time and slip it on over your head. So what I'm gonna move on, I'm gonna get my hot comb and get it heated so I can get the top really laid. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, like, you see how the curls are falling already? In the meantime, so pretty, it is gorgeous. And you see how easy it is. You just take the combs and stick them in, so everything is laid properly on your head. Like, it's such a vibe. So I'm gonna just take my scissors and cut away the excess lace. In the meantime, you know, ensure to be careful so you don't cut off any of the hair. guys, you see this? You see that? Absolutely no adhesive at all, and you cannot see the lace. You really and truly, you cannot see the lace. They really did their thing, like they really did. And just get that nice and laid.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you
So you see it's looking much better once I, well, much more laid once I use my hot comb. So what I'm gonna do is kind of reshape the bangs here in the front, because these are layered so nicely. So I'm gonna get my curling iron and get that done. Tell me this is a bomb. By the way, I did the shake test on this glueless wig, just so you see that this wig is not going anywhere, okay? You don't need to worry. It's very secure. This brown is stunning. Tell the truth. Look at that body. The body is to die for. You see those curls? You see those curls and like the layers? I didn't have to add any more layers. All I did was reshape the direction in which the curls were going for the bangs, and perfection. And I went ahead and laid the top a little bit more. Completely glueless. You cannot tell that there is any lace, like there's no cast. I didn't have to add any powder to the front or anything. It's like amazing, straight out of the box. So you don't need any edges. As you can see, there's absolutely no swoops, no edges, no baby hairs, none of that. All right, if you want to go ahead and add it though, if that's your thing, feel free to do so. But for all my girlies who have no clue how to do all of that, or they can't be bothered, you don't need to, because I'm rocking it without any form of edges or baby hairs. So yeah, as I said, all the specifications of this gorgeous wig will be in my description box. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. It's been a while now, like maybe a week since I've changed my hair, and my gosh, this is making me feel so brand new. I love it. Shout out to Love Me here, because they know, they just know, you know. Like, yeah, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Beautiful holiday look, you know. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys like this wig. If you do, go ahead, give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead, like this video, share this video if you found it informative. Give it a thumb up, leave your positive thoughts down below. And as I said, if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. and you know, get cute for the holidays, you know, or whenever. I mean, but yeah, that's it. Very quick, very easy to the point. Yeah, very beginner friendly, very quick, easy. We love a convenient, natural looking wig. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today though, guys. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna